Hello everyone, long time no see. Guess where I am? I'm here now, at the Jifang repair shop in Suchang. Remember before New Year? Shao Yun's car got into an accident. Let's check it out now, and see how the repairs went. Come with me and let's see how the truck looks now. Oh wow. Everything has been replaced with new parts. It looks amazing, absolutely perfect. Then they checked the damage. Take a look at this tire. This tire was badly scraped, right here during the accident. The damage was pretty serious. It had a long tear in it. The FO Jifang Service Center paid for a brand new tire. Look at this tire! It looks amazing. The station manager paid for it himself. Did that hurt your wallet? Thank you so much, manager. Let's get it installed. Then we'll hit the road. Let's hop inside. They did an excellent job. I can't find my radio anywhere. Everything here is brand new. These are the old clothes I took out before. Everything inside has been repaired. Even around the steering wheel, everything is brand new. Inside here, take a look. The storage cabinet is fixed too. Everything looks perfect now. The entire truck bed is completely brand new. It looks fantastic. Once the tire is on, we'll hit the road and finally get this truck moving again. I'm so happy. I'll do more live streams and keep sharing my trucking life with you. Wishing every trucker safe roads and smooth journeys. May 2026 bring you success and prosperity. All right, everyone, it's time to head home. Out on the highway or the open road. My two trucks always seem so small. But to me, they're a home that shelters me from every storm. They've always been my faithful companions. Whenever I chase my freedom, they're always there beside me. Through mountains, rivers, and every city we crossed. Let's explore even more adventures together in 2026. Hey everyone, I'm a female trucker born in '97. Right now, I'm driving on the Kunmo Highway. This route is known by many truckers as the Devil's Highway. Next up, I will take you all to experience this 27-kilometer downhill. Let's roll.
Me free, just hold me. Stay here. ここにいて見つめた横顔このまま時止まればいいけど失って Miss you tonight 見透かして乾いた心過去のまま世界が止まれば誰かでも会えるのはもう夢の中だけ Just say you want me With you, kiss me now. Just say you love me. With you, tell me now. あなたを愛しても信じても振り向かない嫌いにさせてよね。どうしてなら届かない想いまでそばにいてよ。追いかけるほど縛りつけるほど遠ざかってく未来また後悔 Cry side 気づけば憶測ばかり本当は執着したくないもう存在意義もわからないああ全部忘れたい Just say you want me あなたを愛しても信じても振り向かない嫌いにさせてよねどうしてなら届いてよ会いたいのもう愛しても信じても振り向かない嫌いにさせてよねどうしてなら届かないわかってるのどれだけ追いかけてもこの手伸ばして願っても二度と叶わない見えよね振り向いて叫んで嘆いても Never coming back Always be my boy Every Friday night when we hit the town I'ma just to kill in case you'll be around Cause we left it there floating in the air Now the music plays and the lights are low I see you standing there just like I wished for Don't wanna second guess show me that you care You could tear my heart apart and still be in your arms I wanna dance with you till the end of the night I wanna dance with you for the rest of my life Don't you know You'll always be my boy You know I wanna dance with you till I'm losing my breath I wanna be the one you can never forget Don't you know You'll always be my boy You'll always be my boy When the night is done, I just overthink every little thing, everything you said. I just bang my head, wondering what you meant. We're a loaded gun, put it at the heart, but it's always you who can light the spark. Don't wanna second guess, show me what we are.
After a long downhill run, it's finally time for a short break. 2 trucks, 1 journey, 1 destination. The road ahead isn't over yet. The toughest part is still waiting. In the next episode, they'll continue toward the delivery point. Thanks for riding along. See you in part 2.
Losing my breath, I